Problem number 3, a couple of derivatives. This is the first one here. F prime of x is equal to, okay, let's see, 12x cubed. Power rule, derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. We should know that off the top of our heads. Derivative e to the x is just e to the x. Square root x is x to the 1/2, so this becomes negative 1/2 fx to the negative 1/2 x. Sine of pi cubed, that's a constant. Its derivative here is 0. So the one I want to maybe do in a little bit more detail is cosecant x. So the derivative of cosecant x is a good thing to have memorized, but if you don't have it memorized, let me show you how to come up with the derivative of cosecant x from scratch. So if g of x is equal to cosecant x, the definition of cosecant x is 1 over sine x. So what I want to do to find the derivative here is I want to use the quotient rule. So the derivative, so what we're going to do, we're going to apply the quotient rule to 1 over sine x. The derivative, so we square the denominator, then it's the denominator times the times the derivative of the numerator. The derivative of 1 is 0, minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator. And so that is going to be cosine x. And so our answer is negative cosine x over sine of x squared. And so we could go ahead and plot this up here, but this isn't usually how textbooks write the answer. Usually what happens is that you have it written like this, and this is cotangent x, and oops, I wrote secant x instead of sine x. 1 over sine x is cosecant x. So usually you have it written out as negative cotangent x times cosecant x. And so this is our final answer to this. For the other part of this problem, x e to the 2x over x squared plus 4, the derivative, we'll use the quotient rule. And so it's the bottom function times the derivative of the top function. Okay, we have to use product rule here. X times the derivative e to the 2x. Derivative x of e to the 2x is 2e to the 2x plus e to the 2x times the derivative of x, and that's 1. Minus the top function times the derivative of the downstairs. The derivative of the downstairs is 2x.